Hello. If you're watching this, you are probably a state DOT, a public works agency, or private contractor, probably, who has highway maintenance responsibilities. And if that's the case, I have great news for you. My name is Susan Belargin, and I am the program director of the Associate's Degree in Applied Science in Highway Maintenance Management here at Front Range Community College in Fort Collins, Colorado. Front Range, working with all of our partners in Colorado and across the country, has developed an associate's degree program that specifically addresses the needs of highway maintenance students, their employers, and the public that they serve. Whether you have 1 or 15 years on the job, you've probably taken training classes that Front Range has designed a way that you can earn college credits for. There are a variety of methods to earn those credits, and we can talk about those individually, but they are challenge exams, portfolios, or transcription agreements. So when we talk about challenge exams, those are tests where students test out of a course. You simply take the test and you pass it with a certain grade, and you are transcribed credits toward your degree. Portfolios are where students take their training certificates and all the training that they've done on the job, and they match it up to the competencies that we require for the course, and then they show us where those competencies are met in the portfolio and how they've applied those competencies to their work. Another way is transcription agreements, and these are agreements that I have with industry training providers such as ATSA or APWA or LTAP or whoever provides the training for your industry, and we create a crosswalk to that course. For instance, I said earlier that we have an ATSA agreement where if a student shows up and has the ATSA Traffic Control Supervisor course, we can transcribe 2 credits at no cost to the students, just having ATSA verify that they've taken that course. They don't need the 2,000 hours required for the actual flagging. They just need to have taken and passed the exam. And if ATSA can verify that, that's 2 credits. But we have many, many of those, and we're working on many, many more, whoever the industry training providers are. Some of you may have college credits from other schools that you may want to transfer, and usually those come down to general education courses, and many of them do transfer. The best way to find out if that's the case and if those credits will apply is to get into the Front Range website, apply as a highway student, and have those credits transferred from your other school and see which ones the school will accept. You would also, if you became a student, you would also have a Pathways advisor working to help you with all of this stuff. So back to the program, it consists of 15 to 16 general education courses, and those are the math, the English, the stuff that every associate's degree requires. And then there are 15 highway core credits and 12 highway elective credits that make it a highway maintenance management program. In addition, since it's a management degree, there are 18 management credits that you have to take as well. So these are all offered online. You can take all of these courses online from wherever you happen to be. Currently, there are 5 or 6 actual states represented, have students represented in the program. So it's a growing national program, and all online, all available to you. So this is a way to take control of some of those crazy changes that are happening right now in the world, and give yourself some direction, right? Provide yourself a path to a brighter future. And I can't wait to talk to you more about that. I hope you will give me a call. My number is 860-608-0163. I look forward to hearing from you, or you can reach me online at susan.belargin, that's B as in boy, AILLARGEON at frontrange.edu, and I will be happy to answer any questions that you have or speak to anybody who is interested. I really look forward to speaking to you all, and thanks so much for listening. Be safe.